Yeah, hi guys. So really, I'm very much excited to post this video for all of you. And so today's topic is nothing but really, do we have the data centers in the space and undersea? Let's see. But before going to the direct content, let us first know what are data centers. Okay. Okay, so data centers play a crucial role in today's digital world by providing the infrastructure and resources needed to store, manage, process, and distribute vast amounts of data. So, in simple words, data centers are nothing but it is a place to store vast amounts of data. Okay, a data center is a physical facility or building that houses a large number of servers, networking equipments, storage systems, and other computing resources. So, it contains all these. These resources are used to support various IT operations such as data storage, processing, networking, and cloud computing. Okay, this is about the basic definition of the data center. So, for these, what are the key aspects for data centers? So, what are needed actually? We need the infrastructure, data storage and management, processing power, networking, redundancy and high availability, security, energy efficiency, cloud computing. So to have a short description for all these, it is nothing but like see it should have a good infrastructure which includes power systems, cooling systems, backup generators, fire suppression systems, physical security measures, and redundant networking equipment. Okay, and it also should be like it should also have a service that can be physical machines or virtual instances running on virtualization platforms, and it should have a good high speed networking and network connections which are essential for data transfer and accessing cloud based services. Okay, and coming to the redundancy, it should include redundant power sources, backup generators, network links, and duplicate hardware components and all. Okay, it should like ensure that if that no failure happens, and the operations what all are being running there, it should be continued. And coming to the security, the security is a very important thing for these data centers, like it such as firewalls, intrusion detection and prevention systems, and encryption are implemented to safeguard data for unauthorized access and cyber threats. So to avoid all these things, security is the most important thing. And like coming to the energy, I can tell you to address the environmental concerns and reduce operational costs, data centers strive to improve energy efficiency by implementing technologies like virtualization, power management systems, and advanced cooling techniques. So all these are being applicable here. And coming to the cloud computing, many data centers are the foundation of the cloud computing services actually. So these are the basic key aspects for the data centers. So let us come to the point. So why do we need to have these data centers in the spaces, in the space? Why do we have the space based data centers actually? So here we need to have a glance of 3 points here: reduce latency, satellite communications, space exploration. They are nothing but by placing the data centers closer to the source of data or end users, latency can be significantly reduced, leading to faster data processing and communication. So that is one of the reason. And next one is data centers in space can support satellite based communication networks and provide real time data processing and storage capabilities for satellite based services like remote sensing, weather monitoring, and satellite communications. So these are the purposes why they are having the satellite communications. Okay, and next, the data centers in space can support computing needs for space exploration missions where terrestrial infrastructure may be readily available. So all these things are to be considered. And we have learned, we have come to a conclusion that really we have the space based data center, but which companies are currently holding, as of my knowledge, the companies which are holding the space based data centers are HPE, that is Hewlett Packard Enterprise, that is HPE, has partnered with NASA to launch the space borne computer project. And IBM has developed specialized service called SpaceCube for space-based applications. And last one is Microsoft. Microsoft has partnered with several space companies to explore the potential of space-based data centers. So really, how do they look like? So this is how the space-based data center look like. Okay, this is the picture how the space-based data centers look like in the space. Okay, so then next, so yes, how we have the space-based data centers, in the same way we do have the undersea data centers. So for these, what are the reasons to have the undersea data centers? Are nothing but cooling efficiency, environmental impact, connectivity. So in the in the words itself, we can understand that the natural coolness of seawater helps dissipate heat generated by the servers, potentially leading to the improved energy efficiency and reduced cooling cost. So this is very much useful for the servers. Okay, and next one is by placing these data centers under the sea, it frees up the space, valuable space which is on the land. That is one more thing. And it won't have an environmental impact of traditional land based data centers. So what are the impact we are having, say reducing the energy consumption and carbon emissions? So all these will be reduced. And the last one more thing is it will have, this can be located near coastlines or undersea cable landing stations, facilitating faster and more efficient data transfer for regions located near these data centers. So these are all the reasons to have the undersea data centers. Fine. And what are the companies which are having the undersea data centers? They are nothing but again the Microsoft. Microsoft, it has the project known as Project Natic, which involves deploying self-contained data centers inside specially designed underwater pods. Microsoft has conducted multiple trials, including the deployment of data center off the coast of Scotland. Okay, and the next company is Nautilus Data Technologies. So the Nautilus Data Technologies, they have developed a floating data center concept that operates on a barge or other floating platforms, utilizing water for cooling and renewable energy sources. And next, Cow Data. Cow Data is a UK based company. It has explored the potential of subsea data centers. And the final one is Hydro 66, which is based in Sweden, operates an eco-friendly data center located in former of aluminum smelter in Boden. So these are the companies which have undersea data center. So let us see which is how does it look like, how the undersea data center really look like. So here, see, can you see that which company's data center is that? Yes, it is nothing that nothing, but it is Microsoft. So Microsoft, see, they have given their logo, the company name, and the data center server is ready, and they are being submerged that in the undersea. So this is how undersea data center look like. So this is nothing but the I wanted to share this knowledge with everyone, so that it will be helpful to the people who doesn't have a knowledge on this, right? So it's true that we have the space based data centers and undersea data centers, and maybe some other companies also do have all these things, but as per my knowledge, I have noted a few companies which are having this. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. And just if you feel that this is a very informative video, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Sunitha Tech Minds. Yeah, bye bye.